My name is Pei Haoyuan. I'm a CS student from the University of New Hampshire, and now I'm working in the routing team. So today, my presentation will have 4 parts. For the first part, I'll call it my orientation. It's talking about my first month. So after 2 weeks since I worked here, my friends asked me, how do you feel about it? I say, it's just like taking another school course, because everything seems new to me. There's a lot of things I didn't know, and I have to learn. So for me, Arista is just like my university, and my mentor Purna is like my TA, and the works is like my assignment, and Ad1 is my library and Google. So I read a lot of documents in the first month. So the first month was just like this picture. I'm totally lost in thousands of documents, and I took 3 or 4 hours to find the right one. But after the first month, I feel more comfortable with my works. So far, I finished 2 projects. I want to call my first project month 0. I want to use 0 here because it is just too simple, so I don't want to use a natural number for it. So basically, what I did here is I improved the help description for CLI help. As you can see, before we use as pass-array here, but actually the problem is it seems like some internal variable. As you can see from this picture, we do have a lot of internal variable called as pass-array. So I changed this to as -pass-regex, and I believe this solution will make it more clear. So for my main project, I enhanced the show IPBG summary command to add 1 more column to the output. The reason is before it is not easy to people if you want to look some specific peer state. As you can see, this is an old output and this is a new output. We add one new column, which is called description, to show you the descriptions. But if you don't configure description for any of the peers, will not show it up. So this decision is made by CLI review. It's a smart decision, but also giving me more work to take care. So if you configure some of the peers, will show you the description, and keep empty for the unconfigured description. But if you use a very long string to configure the description, because we don't want to ruin the table, right? So we just show you the first 24 characters. The reason I use 24 is this is the number of my favorite basketball player, Kobe Bryant. But it gives you a good look, right? So this is what it looks like. So this is the copy output. If we don't have description configured, it's not showing up. If we have description for some peers, we show you the description. Because we are changing the output here, so we can imagine there's a lot of tests will get failed, right? So I did some changes to the old test cases to make them pass, and also add 3 new test cases to test the new output with description. I have to learn. I have to say, working in Arista in the summer is a really good experience. I learned a lot of things like some new words, white space change, Pythonic, ment, and I also read a lot of good code from others. I got a lot of good suggestion to improve my code, and I'm getting more comfortable with PDB now. My mentor Purna taught me a lot of knowledge about networking. Also, I recognize a new language called TAG, and this is one comment from the peer from the review board. In the end, I would like to say thanks to William Rideout, who is my interviewer, John Mount, who helped me to set up everything on the first day, VJ, who is my manager, and my mentor Purna. She really helped me a lot in this summer. Luke, who made parties for interns and also brought me to the outing. Before, I never seen this guy. I think he's not in this office, but he gave me a lot of comments on the peer, on the review board, and they are really helpful to improve my code. And also all the writers who made documents on it, all the documents made my work much more easier. I appreciate it. So that's it. Any question? Thank you.